Robot vacuums have come a long way, but in 2025, the market is packed with so many options that it can be overwhelming. Today, thanks to this video sponsor, Yeedi, we're breaking down the key things that really matter when buying a robot vacuum this year, and at the end, we'll highlight one model that strikes the perfect balance between performance and price. First consideration for most people is price. Instead of simply choosing the cheapest or most expensive option, it's important to look at overall value. Ask yourself what features you're getting for your money. Does the vacuum both sweep and mop? Can it empty itself or wash its mop pads automatically? A high-value robot isn't always having every possible feature. It's about the right balance between power, convenience, and cost. Cleaning performance is next. Suction power is one of the most important specs, and for good reason. The higher the suction, the deeper the robot cleans. In 2025, a solid benchmark is around 15,000 pascals, with the best models offering even more. Strong suction ensures fine dust, hair and debris are picked up from carpets, tiles, and gaps that weaker vacuums often leave behind. The M14 Plus can be used to clean large dry waste particles as well. Edge and corner cleaning is another area that is often overlooked. Many vacuums leave a line of dust along baseboards and in corners, usually because their design or mapping system can't reach those areas properly. If clean edges matter to you, which they should, look for a model with effective edge detection and brushes or mop designs that can reach into corners. A smart base station can also be a huge game changer. In the past, you had to manually empty the dustbin, refill water, and wash dirty mop pads, which undermined the idea of hands-free cleaning. Now, top-tier models come with an all-in-one base station that automatically empties dust, washes mop rollers, and even dries them to prevent odors. If convenience is a priority, a smart base station is worth it. Real-world usability is another key factor. A good robot vacuum should be easy to control through an app, support detailed room mapping, let you adjust suction and water levels, and even respond to voice commands. After all, it's designed to make your life easier, not give you another gadget to babysit. So which model actually brings all of these features together? One standout option is the Yeedi M14 Plus. It combines powerful suction, effective mopping, edge cleaning, and a self-cleaning base station at a very accessible price point. The Yeedi M14 Plus offers 18,000 pascal suction, handling everything from pet hair to fine dust. Its OZMO roller mop rotates to scrub floors rather than just wiping them. And its edge cleaning reaches corners that most other robots can't. The all-in-one base station handles emptying, washing, and drying the mop pads completely automatically. What makes the Yeedi M14 Plus especially compelling is the value. You're getting high-end performance such as 18,000 pascal suction and a fully self-cleaning system without paying flagship prices. For anyone looking for a robot vacuum that is powerful, intelligent, and truly easy to live with, the Yeedi M14 Plus is a model worth considering. It's currently available as a Black Friday special for $479.99. Be sure to check out the link below.